Took me about 2 weeks to complete this project, and it is a final product. This during the day, then it's very visible. It is a post reinstallation. So I start the light engine and run the fiber optics down to the spare tire storage area. As you can see, they fit nicely in the perfect spot for the light engine. I didn't use cigarette adapter. Seeing there's no cigarette outlet, so I have to run a 12-volt wires from the fuse box down here for the light engines. There is a fuse box under dash at the driver's side. So the fuse slot I used was USB number 2 with 7.5 amps. It's right there. You may also use different fuse slots as you wish, but I prefer to use fuse slots that only turn on when you turn on the car. Just like the dome is always on, so I'm not gonna use it. And the power outlet number 1 with 15 amps is a cigarette outlet you may use. I used other fuse to the USB number 2 fuse slot and run the wire just down behind the side plastic trims. So you need to remove this piece so you can run the wire to hide the wire. That's one right here, and also the plastic port at the steps right there, and also this one too, so you can run the wire inside and hide it. Removing the this piece as well, so the wire gonna be inside there, and also this piece to run the wire to the spare tire storage area. The wire go from over there inside this piece and go in here. You can see right there is the power wires, 4-volt, and go to the light engine. And that's it. These light engines can be controlled by IR remote or apps from your iPhone to change the colors. For the IR remote, it has only 7 solid colors. For the apps, it has like multiple colors, like having thousands colors you can choose from, and different mode too, like twinkles, jumpings, fading, changing the colors by music, sound. But I like white and off-white a little bit. Looking out from the inside of the car, this color like purple white, and this one is like yellow white a little bit. Anyway, my kids love it.